Welcome back to TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python on Windows. So first step, launch your preferred web browser. Second, go to python.org. And the third step is to put your cursor on downloads and then click Python 3.1.2.5. Once the download is complete, right click on it and open. Now, fourth step, make sure you have clicked this box to add python.exe to path. Fifth, go ahead and click install now and then say yes on the window. Wait this setup to progress and complete, and you should be all set to use your Python. Thank you for your patience. The setup is complete. Now let's go ahead and verify if Python is installed. That is going to be the last step. So go ahead and launch your CMD and type Python -- version. And here we have Python 1.2.5, Python 3.1.2.5, and make sure you also have pip installed. So that's installed on your operating system. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.